How to fix Spotify premium payment failed. Now to solve this issue, the first thing that you'll need to ensure is that your payment method has sufficient funds. So sometimes if your payment method that you're using does not have sufficient funds, the payment won't go through and your subscription of Spotify or the premium version of Spotify won't be enabled. Also, you need to ensure that your payment method is registered in the same country as your account. So for example, if you selected a particular country for your account creation for Spotify and your payment method shows a different country, then this may create some problems. So make sure that you sort that out. Also make sure that the international or recurring online purchases is allowed for your payment method. Lastly, if none of these solutions work out, what you can do is try using a different payment method. For example, if you're using a credit or a debit card, you can try using a PayPal and try to see if the payment goes through. Now, if none of these solutions work out, then that likely means there is a server side issue. In those situations, you just need to wait out a couple of minutes before you try to make the payment again. So I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.